Hi, I'm Tony. I founded the Shop Hacks group, and I want to just make a quick video to introduce you to what this group is about and maybe some of the value that you can get out of the group and how you can contribute yourself. I'm just going to kind of go around the shop and show you a few things, and as I go I'll explain how they integrate into the Shop Hacks story and into what Shop Hacks is all about. I got tired of pulling my chop saw out, 60-pound chop saw every time I wanted to make a 2-minute cut. When I need it, I want it to be easy to get to. So I made this flip table that I use 95% of the time as a workbench. It's really sturdy. I could stand on it, it wouldn't move. And just pull the pin, flip it around, put the pin back in, and it's ready to go just in 10 seconds. So you might notice this little piece of cardboard, a little hack like that catches 90% of the dust instead of 10%. So that would be considered a shop hack. Just a little piece of cardboard and some duct tape. That'll eventually be something I can magnetically put on there. But for now it works, and I've left it that way. So this is the flip table for the chop saw. Now, I've seen some of these on YouTube. It's not an original idea, but everybody has 2 pins on it instead of just one, and they have something you have to screw in and out. So to me, that's another type of hack. I'm saving another 30 seconds to make a 30-second cut. And just pull the pin out, flip it around, and I have some storage underneath there too, so I actually don't need it now that I reorganized all the shop. I've got everything up where I can see it, and I know where every piece of equipment is in here, every tool. So this is my planer. I use it a little less than the chop saw, and it's the same idea, just flip it around. This one does have the screw because I don't use it as often. I haven't taken the 15 minutes it takes to convert that over to a pin, but that's all there is to that. It has storage underneath, and it's quite a bit of storage actually. I used it for a long time before I reorganized. Alright, so, but just that screwing that in, that extra 10 seconds bugs me, so that's the kind of thing that I've spent the last year and a half in this shop trying to optimize everything. So if I want something, I know where it is without looking. I can just reach and get to it. I hope that wasn't too choppy. I'm sure it was, but the videos will get better with time. I plan to introduce YouTube videos and probably put some Instagram feed, have an Instagram feed regularly too, and I'll release blogs for the website. There is a website associated with Shop Hacks, and it's basically a place you just go get information, and eventually I'll be posting products that I develop there. Whatever you guys like, I'll develop the product and see if I can sell it or sell plans for it. So that's kind of the Shop Hacks idea. I'm here for you. I want to empower people to kind of release their creativity through digital fabrication equipment. And I want to help you to enjoy your shop more just through helping you get it organized. I've got a section on the website for floors, walls, ceilings. Check that out. You'll get inspired by all the kind of cool ideas that I've kind of assembled there for what you can do for your shop. So there'll be more to come. Videos will get better, but I thought I'd get something out just to introduce the group to everybody, give you an idea of what it's about. Feel free to post in the comments below what you want to see through this group. I'm here for you, and I want to empower you, and I want to make things easier, make you enjoy your shop more, build your space. So enjoy.